Welcome to URC Flores Pilipinas Baking with Experts. For today's lesson, we will explore kung ano nga bang effect if we will use different kinds of flour in making tarts. Joining us here in this episode, please give a warm welcome to Janina!
Hi everyone!
So, quiz time tayo. What did you learn from your previous episode?
Chef Franz and I bake sugar cookies and also she gave me tips on how to bake them.
Oh wow! Ngayon, tuturuan naman kitang gumawa ng fruit tart using different flour and ano nga ba ang the best gamitin to achieve tasty and delectable tart. So, let's start! Alright, for our fruit tart, these are the ingredients that we'll be needing for our tart shell. For the pasty cream of our tart, we will be needing few ingredients. For the glazed simple syrup of our tart, we will be needing few ingredients. Prepare all the tools, equipment, and ingredients na gagamitin. Preheat the oven at 145 degrees Celsius and make sure that the batter is softened at the room temperature. First, prepare natin ang tart crust. In a bowl, sip URC Continental All-Purpose Flour and powdered sugar. Gamit ang bowl ng stand mixer, add the cube butter, white sugar, salt, and vanilla. Siguraduhin na ang butter ay softened at room temperature using paddle attachment. I-mix for about 2 minutes or until combined. We will add egg yolks and continue mixing until combined.
Bakit po egg yolks lang? Why not whole egg?
Ang paggamit ng egg yolks ay nagbibigay ng desired characteristic for our traditional dough. Tenderness, richness, and delicate crumb, while whole eggs can be used in tart dough recipe. They may slightly alter the texture and taste. Ang egg white can increase protein content, potentially leading to a slightly tougher crust, meaning medyo titigas yung crust ng ating tart. For us to learn the effect of the using types of flour in making fruit tart, we will be using 4 types of URC flour. URC Globe hard flour, URC Continental or purpose flour, URC Catleya soft flour, and URC Daisy cake flour. Add the flour and mix for about 45 seconds or until the dough reaches the shaggy texture.
Ano po meaning ng shaggy texture?
Shaggy texture means the dough is lumpy yet well mixed. There are no dry spots or flour left. As you can see, the tart dough made with URC Globe flour is dry and crumbly, which makes this difficult to roll and mold. Dito naman, the tart dough made with URC Catleya soft flour, mapapansin natin na soft and little bit sticky siya at mahirap i-mold into tart shell. Meanwhile, the tart dough made with URC Daisy cake flour is the most difficult to manage or mold. Dahil ito sa mababang absorption niya, the dough is too moist and sticky. Also, dahil sa mababang gluten niya, the tart dough breaks more easily. Lastly, when using URC Continental All-Purpose Flour, the tart dough ay hindi sticky at dry. Mas madali siya i-mold dahil dito, the dough also retain its molded shape much sturdier than the other tart dough here. So now, we will divide the dough into 2 to 3 equal pieces and chill for at least 15 minutes. Then, portion the crust dough, flatten it, and mold it into the tart ring molder. Chill the tarts for at least 15 minutes, then bake at 145 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 15 minutes or until just light brown. Now, let's prepare the pastry cream filling. In a saucepan, heat the milk and vanilla extract and boil over medium heat for 10 minutes. In a separate bowl, whisk the egg yolks and sugar until light and fluffy. Add the cornstarch into the egg yolk mixture and haluin hanggang mawala ang lumps. Whisk in about 1/4 cup of the hot milk mixture to temper the egg yolk mixture. Then add in the remaining hot milk mixture and stir until incorporated. Ibalik ang mixture sa saucepan and cook over medium heat habang hinahalo constantly until it becomes thick and slowly boiling. Remove from the heat and stir in the butter. Palamigin natin, then cover with plastic wrap, lightly pressing the plastic against the surface.
Chef, why do we need to cover it with plastic wrap?
Kailangan natin ito to prevent the pastry cream from forming an unwanted crust. Meron na pala akong inandang chilled cream filling. Chill at least 30 minutes or until ready to serve. Before putting together our tarts, let's make a simple glaze for the fruits. Start by heating equal parts water and white granulated sugar over medium heat. Haluin natin ang mixture until the sugar dissolves and becomes slightly thicker, then bring it to a boil. Turn the heat to a low as soon as the syrup starts to boil and continue to cook on low heat for 15 minutes. Tanggalin ang glaze sa stove and let it cool. We will now place the sliced fruit in a mixing bowl and pour the glaze over it, stirring gently to coat. Remove the fruits from the syrup and place them in a strainer to drip.
Dapat po ba may specific fruit lang na ilalagay sa fruit tart?
Good question. Ang tarts ay sobrang versatile and can be made with a variety of fruits. The choice of fruit of your tart depend on your personal preference, seasonal ability, and the specific recipe you're using. Sabi nga nila, the more the merrier. Now, let's assemble na our fruit tart. But before we do that, papakita ko muna sa iyo ang iba't ibang types ng tart shells. Here, we have tart shells made with URC Globe Hard Flour, URC Continental All-Purpose Flour, URC Cattleya Soft Flour, and URC Daisy Cake Flour. Okay, so, ready ka na ba to assemble our tart? Whip up the pastry cream until smooth, transfer to a piping bag, and fill your cooled tart shell. So, Janina, let's start peeling the tart shells. Try mo naman. Now, we'll place the sliced fruit on the top of the tart. Okay, Janina. Ikaw naman. There you have it, our fruit tarts.
Wow! Ang gaganda! Itsura pa lang nakakagutom na. Chef, pwede ko na po bang tikman?
Sure! Kaya lagi nating tatandaan, ang flour protein content greatly affects kung ano ang kalalabasan ng inyong tarts. Kaya ang pinaka-the best na gamiting flour sa inyong fruit tart ay ang URC Continental All-Purpose Flour. For recap, naka-plus sa screen ang ating complete ingredients for our fruit tart. Screenshot na mga ka-baker buddies! That is for our episode with Janina. So Janina, marami ka bang natutunan for the whole series?
Siyempre naman, Chef. I feel so ecstatic throughout this series at sobrang dami ko pong natutunan. Kaya thank you so much, URC Flour, for the experience.
Thank you so much, Janina, for this whole series. Kaya mga baker buddies, abangan sa susunod na episode kung sinong aming next guest. See you on our next episode!
Bye!